Hello guys, welcome to another Vlogmas and please keep on watching. Hello guys, welcome to another Vlogmas. So it's like 29 or 28 days ago before Christmas and I'm so excited for the upcoming holidays. Kayo rin ba? Excited kayo? And ang sarap kasi ng feeling. Malamig ng simingain outside and you know, you see a lot of Christmas song playing. You hear a lot of Christmas song playing around and as well Christmas decoration. Sobrang liwanag na ng paligid at ang super duper love tingnan. So yun guys, so aside from that, diba, we're thinking of our gifts na ipamimigay natin sa ating family, sa loved ones, and to other people na hindi lang importante sa atin na kailangan bigyan ng gifts. So, always remember guys that it's not all about the gifts that we're giving. It's the thought that really counts. Hindi yan about the price, how expensive your gift is. Basta galing sa puso mo. At naalala mo mabigyan yung mga taong dapat bigyan sa buhay mo. Yun lang guys, yun yung lagi niyong iisip. So for today's video guys, maiba ako. So another unboxing yung gagawin natin for another Vlogmas that we do have. So today, i-unbox ko tong napakatagal ko nang na-receive na gift from a friend. This is actually the Stanley tumbler. Yan. Look siya. It's 40 ml. So let's go unbox now the Stanley. So yung seal, ayan. So I already have the Stanley, yung first ever Stanley ko. Hindi ko siya na-vlog, but the color is Pink Parade. So I'll show it to you later. So, doon. Nasira na. So tatanggalin na natin yung seal. So, ang hirap ng buksan. Ay, ayan. So kayo guys, nakapagpamili na ba kayo ng mga regalo nyo? Were you able to nabalot na ba sila? So, mas maganda kapag as early as now, you buy your gifts kasi mahirap magkaroon ng Christmas rush. Madami ng tao, it's really hard. At saka minsan ubusan na ng gamit. So I don't know if we will be spending our Christmas here in the temporary house kasi darating yung brother ko from Hong Kong and yung wife niya, and so most probably doon magi-spend yung Christmas yung sister ko sa kanila sa Manila. So I don't know if I can join them kasi may mga alaga kami, syempre kawawa naman yung mga alaga naming aso. So there you go guys, nabuksan na natin. So wow! So, inside of the tumbler is, of course, yung kanyang manual. Yan. Care and use, etc. etc. So, dito mo siya makikita. Yan. So, aside from that, syempre, may free na straw na kulay pink. Yan. So, yung color nito pala guys is Pink Parade. What I have is actually the flamingo. Yun, flamingo pink. I'll show it to you later. But the color of this is Pink Parade. Taran! Ang really nice ng color. So aside from dun sa free straw, meron ding kasama din yung tumbler. So this is the Pink Parade. So it's 40 ounce. Yan siya kalaki. Okay, it's really big. So yun. Tapos, syempre, nakabalot siya dito. So yun lang yung inclusive ng the manual and the free straw and of course, the Pink Parade. Why it's Pink Parade? Kasi it's pink. Light pink. Oh, nice. There you have it guys. So I will show you yung isa ko, which is the flamingo. So Am I collecting this stuff? Yes. So, I'm planning to collect all the kinds of pink na meron ang Stanley. So, ito yung isa. This is the Flamingo. Yan, Stanley Flamingo. Ayan. Tapos may kasama na siyang ganyan. So, ito kailangan pa natin bilian ng sa ilalim niya. But this is pink parade. So, light yung color. So, there you have it, guys. I hope you like this video. So, pag nagustuhan nyo to, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not yet part of the Sachikin family, please follow me in my Instagram again, in my YouTube channel, which is I Love Sachi Girl, and of course, my TikTok account, I Love Sachi Girl. Until my next Vlogmas, guys. Bye!